7 Paths to Poverty Reduction for Autistic Adults. Hi everyone! We're diving deep into a crucial discussion on poverty reduction for autistic adults. We reached out to autistic individuals right here in BC, Canada, to hear their invaluable insights. Despite our incredible potential, autistic adults often encounter barriers to employment, healthcare, and financial stability. Yet, we deserve equal opportunities. Before we delve into solutions, it's important to understand the challenges. If you want to learn more about why autistic adults face poverty and why it matters, check out the video in the description below. Financial stability is crucial for autonomy and well-being, and our autistic community members have some fantastic ideas. 1. First up, financial support and stability. Our community suggests government-provided wage subsidies, affordable access to financial advisors, and retirement preparedness coaching for older autistic adults. Next, employment and career support. We need more autistic-friendly workplaces and employment services to give us accessible job opportunities, updated and published anti-discrimination policies, staff training on autism awareness and how autism affects adults at work, and career counseling. 3. Access to healthcare and services is vital. Healthcare service providers need to tailor care plans to different presentations of autism to effectively help with symptom management. Training more neuro-affirming care providers could also help address the shortage and give us a way to get appropriate support without paying high fees. Covering autism-specific specialists through MSP can reduce financial and health strain. 4. In terms of housing, we need more rental support to adjust to the cost of living, especially since many of us can't work full-time. The government and developers should invest in building more autistic-friendly housing that's safe, peaceful, and supportive. We also need mortgage breaks to encourage more of us to become first-time homeowners. 5. Increasing awareness about autistic adults and how autism shows up in adults has the power to combat misinformation and stigma. The people who care for us, whether they're family, friends, or healthcare providers, should always acknowledge self-diagnosis as valid, since many of us can't afford to get an assessment. Even if we can, the waitlist can be years long. Government and learning institutions should provide more educational resources, focusing on the strengths of autistic employees and employers. As they become more aware of the benefits of working with autistic folks, more employers will be likely to hire and retain us as talent. 6. Social inclusion is key. Peer support networks for autistic adults can help us get meaningful understanding and advice. There can always be more. Online support groups or virtual meets like AutismBC's Getting Together on the Spectrum can also make a difference. Social skills training for networking, interviewing, and similar situations can empower autistic individuals in social interactions. 7. Lastly, equity for racialized autistic folks is essential. We believe advocating for anti-racism and anti-classism policies is everyone's responsibility. There needs to be more culturally relevant support services available in healthcare, educational, and professional environments. In order to make meaningful change, the government, businesses, and individuals must start by unlearning harmful ideas rooted in white supremacy, colonialism, and classism. Working with Black-led and Indigenous-led advocates and organizations is essential to enacting poverty reduction solutions they need. Center racialized autistic voices at every opportunity and never stop learning. These are just some of the paths to poverty reduction for autistic adults. By implementing these solutions and advocating for change, we can create a more inclusive society. For details, check out our blog. Now we want to hear from you. Nothing about us without us. What are your ideas to alleviate financial insecurity for autistic adults? Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out other videos in this series for more insightful discussions.